for sure.
Perfect day for soup.
Time of year for soup.
Yep.
And rain today, but that's switching over now.
We're going from the wet to the wintry, and we're doing it very quickly. It's an abrupt change to snow that we're starting to see right now, and you can see that very clearly on Super Doppler. The area shaded in blue is the snow. The area shaded in green is the steady rain. And we've had quite the soaking here as of this afternoon, but that is not going to last because this entire changeover line is sliding south, and it's doing so pretty quickly now here at this point. Snowing in Attica, snowing in Orangeville. We're just starting to see some flakes mixing in here in Buffalo. If you were going to be on the 190 going south, you are quickly going to see not just the visibility drop, but those snowflakes coming down. In fact, as we go in for a closer look here on Super Doppler, it looks like we're starting to see here 425, 265, 62. Transit now starting to see snow north of Cheektowaga and up towards Lockport as well. Now, the snow is not going to last very long, but it will last long enough to put down a few inches, and again, very quickly. In fact, by 10 o'clock, I think the snow is out of here, over and done with, and we reflect that here in the hourly forecast. But one thing is for sure, there's going to be a rapid freeze-up that takes place, especially overnight. So any spots that are wet are going to turn icy, could see some black ice, so be careful, especially on those secondary, untreated, and elevated road surfaces. As far as temperatures go, again, we're hovering close to freezing here for the next few hours, but after 11 o'clock, temperatures fall off a cliff. In fact, Saturday morning, we're going to be down into the single digits, and as we go into Saturday afternoon, wind chills are going to be below zero in many spots. You got to bundle up. We might not be doing a lot of shoveling, but we are certainly going to be shivering as we head into Saturday. So tonight, again, a few hours of snow could come down with a pretty good burst, and it puts down about 1 to 3 inches, 2.4 inches, for example, in Royalton and Medina. It won't be snowing, I think, very much on Saturday. It's just going to be mostly cloudy and cold. There could be a flurry up towards the lake. As we head into areas south, about an inch or so as we head into this evening, and about 3/4 of an inch in East Otto as we head into, again, later tonight. Right now, visibility is poor in fog. That's another issue, too, here this evening is the fog. 34 degrees, feels like 27. It's 37 in Jamestown. There are some of those visibilities down to 3/4 of a mile in Jamestown, and we're at 3/4 of a mile as well in Wellsville. This is in fog and in rain. You're not into the snow there just yet, but you will be within the next few hours. So there's that pretty good stripe of moisture, pretty much slicing right across western New York. There's our changeover line. Again, it's a quick burst of snow, doesn't last. It's over and done with, I think, in Buffalo by about 9 or 10 o'clock. And then overnight, we might actually see some clearing as temperatures plunge into the teens and even some upper single digits. And really, once we get into the teens tomorrow, the temperatures really go nowhere fast. They just kind of hover into the teens all day long. So for tonight, again, that burst of snow, secondary, untreated, elevated road surfaces, all slick, turning sharply colder overnight. The low temperature 13, pinpointing a high of 17 in Buffalo for tomorrow, 13 in Clarence, and there's that super 7-day forecast. Boy, it's just a one-day cold snap. Then temperatures moderate into the weekend. You even see some rain showers to start next week, maybe some wet flakes by midweek. You're watching 7 News at 5. Stay with us.